Here are 8 juices that can naturally help boost metabolism and reduce fat, thanks to their thermogenic, detoxifying, and nutrient-rich properties. 1. Green tea and lemon juice. Why it works. Green tea contains catechins and caffeine that enhance fat oxidation. Add lemon for extra vitamin C and detoxifying effects. How to use. Brew green tea, let it cool, squeeze half a lemon, and drink before meals. 2. Cucumber, mint, and lemon juice. Why it works. Cucumber hydrates and flushes toxins. Lemon and mint aid digestion and boost metabolism. Best time to drink, morning or post-meal. 3. Tea, pineapple and ginger juice. Why it works. Bromelain in pineapple helps break down fat. Ginger boosts thermogenesis and digestion. Bonus, anti-inflammatory benefits. 4. Green apple and spinach juice. Why it works. High in fiber and antioxidants. Spinach adds iron and helps regulate blood sugar. Tip: add a squeeze of lime for extra zing and metabolism support. 5. Watermelon and mint juice. Why it works. Watermelon is hydrating and low in calories. Arginine in it may help burn fat. Mint enhances digestion and suppresses appetite naturally. 6. Carrot and beetroot juice. Why it works. Carrots are high in fiber and vitamin A. Beetroot increases nitric oxide, improving exercise performance and fat burn. Add ginger for a spicy metabolism kick. 7. Grapefruit and orange juice. Why it works. Grapefruit contains enzymes that may reduce insulin levels. Both fruits are high in vitamin C and metabolism-boosting flavonoids. Warning: grapefruit can interact with certain medications. Consult your doctor. 8. Celery and green apple juice. Why it works. Celery is a natural diuretic with few calories. Green apple adds fiber and sweetness. Best taken as a midday snack or pre-workout drink. Tips for best results: use fresh, whole ingredients. Avoid added sugars or sweeteners. Drink them on an empty stomach or before meals for better absorption. Combine with regular exercise and balanced diet for visible fat loss. Thank you for watching.